Rate limit reach on Grok. How to reset Grok limit. Getting the rate limit reach message on Grok. Here's how to fix it fast. So first is to wait for reset. Rate limits reset automatically. Wait a few minutes and then try again. Second is to check your plan. So to check it, go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom left and then click on this upgrade plan button. So in here, you'd be able to check if you're already subscribed into Super Grok Business or Individual Plan. Free plans have stricter limits, so upgrade to a higher tier for more requests. Third is to optimize prompts. Combine questions into fewer detailed prompts instead of sending many small ones. And lastly is to refresh session. So log out and back in to refresh your session if the limit persists. And that's it. Wait, upgrade, optimize, and refresh your Grok access. Will be back in no time.